guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you my easy and healthy corn and avocado summer salad recipe. So I hope that you enjoy, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this recipe is really easy and quick to make, especially when you have prepped all of your produce ahead of time. So that's where I like to start. So I'm gonna be rinsing all of my produce under some cold water. I've got cucumbers, I have a lemon. I'm gonna be zesting this lemon as well as using the juice from it. So I just wanted to give it a quick rinse. And then I also have some cherry tomatoes as well. Now for the corn, I'm using two 15-ounce cans of corn, and I like to buy ones that don't contain any added sugar. This one just contains corn, water, and salt. I prefer a no salt added corn, but I couldn't find it, so I just drain and rinse the corn to help remove some of that excess sodium. And then lastly, I picked some fresh herbs from my garden outside. I use parsley and basil. I like the combination of these two together, but just use what you have. You don't have to have both of these in order to make this dish. Now, I like to lightly saute the corn until it starts to look golden brown. I find that this adds great flavor to the salad. So I heat up a frying pan and add about a tablespoon of avocado oil. And once you hear this beautiful sizzle, you know the pan is hot and you can add in your corn. Occasionally, give it a good stir, and you can season it if you'd like. I just added a quick dash of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now, once the corn starts to look golden brown, just like this, you can turn off the heat and pour the corn into a bowl. This helps to stop them from overcooking and getting dry, and they will retain a nice juicy bite when you eat into this wonderful salad. So next thing I did was chopped up my produce. I started with the basil and the parsley. Now, an easy way to chop these herbs is to remove the stem first and foremost, and then collect them in your hand, and then start to chop them. For this salad, I wanted all of my ingredients to be about the same size as the corn, and so I chopped everything pretty small so that everything blends together seamlessly. Now for the avocado, an easy hack to safely remove the pit from your knife is to grab a napkin, a tissue, or a paper towel and gently pull the pit off of the knife. For me, it easily came off, as you just saw right there, and I find this to be a much safer way of de-pitting an avocado. And then in order to make some room on my cutting board, I mixed this all with the sauteed corn in the bowl, and then I chopped a red onion. So funny story here, the onion caused my eyes to tear up so badly, and it was so bad that I had to stop filming, fix makeup, all the things. And when I got back, I made sure to grab a bottle of Thieves Essential Oil, which is kind of an unexpected use for this oil, but I find that it is so helpful to help me not tear up quite as badly as I usually do. So from here on out, I will be keeping a bottle of Thieves Oil in my kitchen for moments like these. So then once I was officially done with that, I zested a lemon, I added the juice from the lemon and got all of that mixed up in there. And then I also added about a quarter cup of this avocado oil. And that's all for the dressing. It's really just the lemon juice and the avocado oil. I like to keep it very light because I always make this in the summertime and I just like it to be pretty light. I don't want like a heavy dressing. And then I go ahead and add on some feta cheese and give it all a good mix. And then the last thing that I do once everything has been mixed pretty well is I add in the avocado. The avocado, if you like over mix it, then it can kind of like fall apart, and I kind of wanted to retain some like chunks of avocado, so I like to add this at the very end. And then you can go ahead and serve it in a dish and then place it on the table. It's a nice fun appetizer. Everyone can dip some corn chips into it before you eat lunch or dinner, or have like a snack or a little party with friends or whatnot. So it's really fun, and you can garnish it if you'd like. I just added a couple basil leaves here, and I just thought it made it look really pretty. Wow. All right, you guys, so that is how you make my easy and healthy corn and avocado summer salad. If you enjoyed today's video, then give it a big thumbs up. And also feel free to comment down below any video ideas you would love to see from me next. And if you would like to learn how to improve your health simply and realistically on a daily basis, then be sure to click that subscribe button. I post videos every single week on how to do just that, and I would love to have you join my community. And if you guys would like to see more healthy recipes, then be sure to check out my brand new cookbook, Eating to Nourish the Body and Soul. It's available to shop on Amazon, and I will leave a link for it down below in the description box. And that is all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!